Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by readying materials and making the first impression. Mix alginate to the package ratio with water. You want a smooth, lump-free paste. Once mixed, immediately submerge your hand to the wrist, hold still and breathe slowly so no bubbles form. You do this because alginate captures skin detail quickly. It sets fast, so timing is critical. Make sure your wrist rests on a support to keep depth consistent. Once set, gently wiggle to break suction and remove the negative mold. Once you have the alginate impression, you prepare the casting material. Mix plaster or resin according to the manufacturer. You need a pourable, lump-free fluid. Pour slowly into the lowest point of the mold so the material displaces air upward, and tap the sides gently to release bubbles. While pouring, watch for thin fingers or deep creases. Use a small stream and a toothpick to coax out bubbles. Allow the cast to harden fully. Curing time varies, so check firmness before proceeding to demold. You complete the process by demolding and refining the positive cast. Peel the alginate away gently. It will tear, so discard it. Trim excess with a rasp or sandpaper, then let the piece cure and dry fully. This prevents cracking when sealed. Once dry, apply primer or varnish before painting to improve adhesion. If you find bubbles or missing details, fill small voids with tinted epoxy or silicone, or recast only that region. This fixes defects without redoing the entire.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.